Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Ferguson and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the Sweet Tea Shawl. The shawl is a beautiful crochet triangle shawl that uses a simple variation of the double crochet stitch to create the look it has. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using Cotton King's Sultan Deluxe. This is just a bigger version of the Sultan that is recommended in the pattern. This is a 100% cotton yarn. It is sport weight number 2, and it is a beautiful gradient cake style yarn. I also have a G 4mm crochet hook. This is a Furl Streamline wood hook. I will link both the yarn and the hook in the description below. Let's go ahead and get started. To start, I'm going to make a magic circle. I'm going to wrap the yarn around my finger twice, like so. I'm going to insert my hook under the first one and pull through the second one. And then I'm just going to pinch it to pull it off my fingers. So now we are ready to begin our first row, which is going to be a chain 3, and that's going to count as our first stitch. We are going to do 2 double crochet in the ring, like around the ring, like so, and then we're going to chain 2 and do 3 double crochet around the ring. 1, 2, 3. All right, and then I'm going to take my magic ring and I'm going to take the end and pull it tight. And that is the start, a little tiny start to our triangle. So now for row 2, we're going to chain 3 again and turn our work. And we are going to do 1 double crochet in the same stitch. So in that first stitch, we're going to do a double crochet. And then we're going to do 1 double crochet in each of the next 2. And then we're back at our chain 2 space. So we're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And then we're going to do 1 double crochet in each of the next 2. And then we're back to our starting chain 3, where we're going to do 2 double crochet into the top of that starting chain 3. So the chain 3 of that is where we're going to work our stitches. And that is our second row. Now we're ready for row 3, which is virtually the same. We're going to chain 3, turn our work 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and 1 double crochet in each stitch across to the chain 2 space. Now we're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in that chain 2 space. And then we're working back up. We're going to do 1 double crochet in each stitch across until we get to the chain 3. And then the chain 3, we're going to work into the top of it and do 2 double crochet. All right. So this is what we have so far. This is rows 1 through 3. All right, for row 4, we're going to chain 3, turn our work, and now we're going to be working in the back loop only. So it says to do 1 double crochet in the same stitch. So I'm working in the loop furthest from me when I'm hold them up facing to me. This one's closest. This is my front loop. I'm working in my back loop. I'm going to do 1 double crochet, and then I am going to do 1 double crochet in the next 8 stitches in the back loop only. Whoops. Until I get to my chain 2 space. 2, 3, 4. All right. I'm at my chain 2 space, so I'm going to do my 2 double crochet. Chain 2, 2 double crochet into the chain 2 space. And then I'm going to work again in the back loop only. I'm going to do 1 double crochet in each stitch across till I get to my chain 3 space. And then in my chain 2 space, I'm going to do 2 double crochet at the top of the chain 2 space. So that is what we have for row 4, and we're ready for row 5. So for row 5, we're going to chain 3, turn our work. We're going to do 1 double crochet in the same stitch. We're back to working in both loops again. So we're going to do our cross double crochet stitch now. So I've done one double crochet in the same. I'm going to skip the next one and do 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. And then I am going to work into the one I skipped, doing a double crochet. I'm crossing over the 2 that I just did and working my double crochet across from them, like crossing over them. So then I'm going to skip the next one, 1 double crochet in the next 2, 1 double crochet in the skipped one, crossing over the 2 that I just did. And it gives that almost V look. Pretty neat. All right, skip 1, do 1 double crochet in the next 2, 1 double crochet in the skipped. Whoops, that did not. I think I grabbed the wrong loop. Let's try that again. There we go. All right, now we have 2 left on this side, so we're going to do 1 double crochet in the next 2. There we go. We're at our chain 2 space, so we're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in that chain 2 space. All right, so what we did on this side, we have to do on this side. So we're going to start with our 1 double crochet in the first 2, and then we're doing 3 cross double crochets. So we're going to skip 1, work 1 double crochet in the next 2, work our double crochet into that skip stitch, crossing over, skip 1, 1 double crochet in the next 2, 1 double crochet in the skip stitch, skip 1, 1 double crochet in the next 2, whoops, 1 double crochet in the skip stitch, and then we're back to our chain 3 space. where we will do 2 double crochets in the top of chain 3. Nope. All right, we have completed row 5, and this is what it will look like. Now we're ready for row 6, and row 6 and 7 are our pattern repeats. So once we get these 2 down, all we do is repeat them until we get to the size we want. So chain 3, turn your work in your back loop only, do 1 double crochet in the same, and then one double crochet in the back loop only of each stitch until you get to the chain 2 space. So I'm just working my double crochets in the back loop only. All the way down. All right, I'm back to my chain 2 space. I'm going to do my increase, which is 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the chain 2 space. 1, 2, 1, and 2. All right, what we do to this side, we have to do to this side. So we're doing 1 double crochet in the back loop only of each stitch across until we get to the chain 3, starting chain 3. Oops, that's be back loop only. And then we're going to do 2 double crochets into the top of the chain 3 space. All right, we are done with row 6. Now we're ready for row 7. This is what we have so far. Row 7, we are going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn our work. Working again in both loops, we're going to do 1 double crochet in the same. And we are going to do our CDC stitches, our cross double crochet stitches, until 2 stitches remain before the chain 2 space. So skip 1, do 1 double crochet in the next 2, and then 1 double crochet in the skipped one, crossing over. So I'm going to do that all the way down until I have 2 stitches. And it should work out pretty evenly, or it will work out evenly, to where you will only have 2 left and you won't be able to do it because you need 3 stitches to do the cross double crochet. So we've got 2 left. We're going to do 1 double crochet in each of those. And then we're going to do our increase in the chain 2 space, which is 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And then we're going to repeat on the other side, going the opposite way. So we're starting with 1 double crochet in the first 2, and then we're going to do our cross double, well, 1, 2, and then our cross double crochet across till we get to our starting chain 3. All right, we are all the way to the chain 3 space. We're going to do 2 double crochet in the top of our chain 3 space. All right, we have completed row 7. So now you're just going to continue with repeating row 6 and row 7 until you get to the size you want it. So if you want to measure till it's 54 inches, or if you want to continue, if you want to use the whole skein or the whole cake of the yarn you're using, if you're using the deluxe, it's going to be larger than if you're using the regular Sultan. You can do that totally however you want to do it, but you're just going to repeat row 6 and 7 until you get to the size you want it. You're going to finish, you're going to fasten it off, you're going to block it. I would definitely block it, so you just open it up and make it have a really nice lacy, drapey look. And then you'll be done and ready to wear it and enjoy it. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to help. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and have a wonderful day.